thought I'm actually making a YouTube channel now. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is my what the? This is my first. You mean how are they watching me?
Talk to them.
This is my first time. I don't know. Loudly? This is my first time. I don't know. I'm talking loudly. This is my first time, so I don't know what I'm doing. But what's up? I don't really know what I'm doing, so this is my first time, so I'm trying to get used to it. What? Mama, so like something going on. Where I want to go, I have to press it. It doesn't really work like usual. I'm doing an hobby. I know you can't see me, but I'm doing an hobby. So, okay, I'm ready. I don't really know what I'm doing because this is my first time. So, my name's Bassam. Like, it's my dream of making a YouTube channel, and I finally have a YouTube channel. Like my brother made it. It's my dream. And it came true. My dream came true. I'm making a YouTube channel, and some videos I'm gonna make me playing in my room, but you will not see those, so I'm not gonna make any of those. Anyways, I don't have any Roblox. I don't have any Roblox. Hear me? I don't have any Roblox. You think every people on YouTube have Roblox? Well, not everybody. I don't have Roblox, and I'm a YouTuber. Well, this is my first time, so of course, I'm in Bahrain. I'm not in like America. I still like Mario. And I still like Mario, and I'm in America. I don't know why I still like Mario. I like Sonic and Mario because my favorite color is blue. And my friend is named Ahmed, and he also likes blue. We both